Pozdravljeni. Poglejmo naslednji prikaz. V košare želimo razporediti 16 bombonov tako, da bo toliko košar, kot je bombonov v vsaki košari. Ker je 16 bombonov, izberemo najprej eno košaro, pa še eno in zdaj v vsako položimo 2. Seveda moramo dodati še eno, spet v vsako damo 2.
Because we can see that there are enough candies, we add to every basket one candy and we add another basket. And in each basket can be added another candy. So we filled 4 baskets, and every time there are 4 candies. Why? Because 16 is 4 times 4, or because the square of 4 equals 16. Let's look at the area of a square that has 9 square units. What is the length of this side? We find that 9 is, of course, 3 squared, because 3 times 3 is an area of a square. With a new computing operation, the square root, a length of a side of a square can be calculated.